Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. So it's alright every time we fucking break a sin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Valorant without any sound. So if you guys already know, I don't have music on or anything like that. So that means I didn't have sounds on either. Okay. So let's get into a solo game. I know I pretty much have like my volume all the way down just for the videos, so I can hear my voice. But yeah. I'm also going to be recording in a different spot right now because I'm at my mom's house. So yeah, this game is going to be kind of boring. So I'm just going to put maybe music over it, but no copyright sounds. I'm sure you guys can search up the channel for no copyright sound. That's it. So that's what I'm probably going to use for this video. You're just shooting your gun. Okay, I'm going. Okay, guys, this is where I'm The new gun, to me, you should make a little bit faster. It's a good gun. The damage is amazing. A little overpowered, not bad. It's actually kind of bad. But just like that stoppage, it's just like putting my gun down so no one can use it. It's too slow, which I think it is. I guess it's like a sniper, but it's actually a sniper rifle too. Really dumb. Okay, yes. I want to use it. These new guns have been added to the game. Oh, you're mad! Oh my god! Oh, that sucks. Getting a med kit. Oh, bunny with a sniper. This reminds me of a scene from a TV show. And Bugs Bunny's like, make your friends die. Never mind. This is. Hey, let's go. This is hard video. But it's gonna be good for editing, at least. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Almost at 4 subscribers. I'm gonna put down the channel name. So yeah, I use play for music. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah. Hey, but now they tell me I switched up. Take this back.